Productopians, I'm so glad we're back together. And of course, welcome back to our second video of the branding series. Today we're diving into something every entrepreneur and business owner, in my opinion, needs to master: making your brand stand out. So in this video today, we're going to talk about 4 very simple yet powerful steps that can take your brand from blending in to standing out in a crowded market. So grab a notebook and a pen because we're about to drop some branding wisdom. Craft your unique identity. The first step in making your brand stand out is to create a unique identity. And obviously that starts out with a well-designed logo, a memorable color palette, and of course a clear brand voice. Don't forget that your brand's visual elements and tone should resonate with your target audience and convey your values. Please take the time you need to research your competitors and find out what sets you apart. Brand voice plays a pivotal role here. Decide on the tone and language you'll use to communicate with your audience. Are you formal and professional, or are you casual and friendly? And 2, practice ethical branding. Okay, first things first, let's define this. What is ethical branding? Ethical branding means a brand does things that are good for people and the environment, like using eco-friendly materials, treating workers fairly, and supporting social causes. It's about showing that your brand actually cares about more than just making money. In today's conscious consumer landscape, aligning your brand with meaningful causes and sustainable practices can definitely set you apart. Showcase your commitment to social responsibility, environmental impact, and of course, ethical branding practices. By authentically demonstrating your values, you create a brand that not only stands out, but also resonates deeply with socially conscious customers. Step 3, deliver exceptional value. Delivering exceptional value doesn't necessarily mean offering the most expensive or feature-rich products. It's really all about understanding your target audience's needs and preferences and striving to provide them with something that goes beyond what they anticipate, creating loyalty and word-of-mouth promotion that helps your brand stand out in a competitive market. Focus on quality, innovation, and delivering an experience that leaves a lasting impression. And of course, these will not just suffice alone. You have to personalize, in other words, tailor your products or services to individual customer preferences. This could involve customization options that allow customers to create something unique that suits their needs. And before we move on to the last step, I'd also like to talk about how important consistency is. Consistency, my friend, will be the cherry on top if you want to see your brand make a breakthrough. So what I mean by this is that you should deliver consistent quality and experience over time. Customers should know that they can rely on your brand to consistently meet or exceed their expectations. And here comes the last step: engage and connect. Last but not least, engagement is key, and I know you've been hearing me talk about this every single time. Find ways to keep your audience hooked. You should build a strong online presence through social media, blog posts, and videos like this one. Always respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your brand. Just be there and be active. The more you interact with your audience, the more they'll feel invested in your success. So if you want to build a community around your brand, which I'm sure you do, you also need to be, again, consistent about your methods. Provide prompt and helpful customer support. Offer special content, host or participate in events including your target audience, and of course you can do this virtually depending on your brand or sector. So, time for a recap. The goal of engaging and connecting is to make your audience feel valued, heard, and like an integral part of your brand's journey. By building strong relationships and a loyal community, you can turn customers into brand advocates who not only keep coming back, but also actively promote your brand to others. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.